Hello, everyone. Now, this is a topic I'm super excited to share about. Norwex has some incredible pet products that are perfect for our furry friends. But first, I want to talk about something that's really important. It's really important to me. It's the health and safety of our pets. So, about 6 years ago, before I ever found Norwex, we had a young husky who got very sick. He got cancer and passed away. It was very hard on my kids. It was very hard on me. And I realized in that situation how close people can become with their pets. What I didn't know is that traditional cleaning products contain chemicals like bleach, ammonia, chlorine, formaldehyde, phenol, isopropyl alcohol. All of these are often used in traditional cleaning products that I used to use and are extremely toxic to our pets, very harmful to dogs. According to PetMD, these chemicals can cause a range of health issues in dogs, including skin irritation, respiratory problems, poisoning, and cancer. Did you know that the cancer rate right now is the leading cause of pet mortality, with nearly half of dogs affected in the United States? And some studies say it's 60% of dogs will get cancer. And the future projections estimate that two-thirds of dogs and one-third of cats will be diagnosed with cancer. That's crazy. And how hard on our families, right? This is why it's so important to choose safe, chemical-free products for our homes and for our pets. Plus, the cost of treating a pet with cancer can range from $3,000 to the quote I had received, which was $10,000. And there's no guarantee it's going to cure the problem. So let's discuss some safer alternatives, which I'm really happy to do. Okay, let's talk about something every pet owner has to deal with. That's stains and odors, right? We have an amazing pet stain and odor remover concentrate. Now, this product is tailor-made to combat pet stains and odors without any harsh chemicals and no single-use bottles. I use it on pet messes, including urine, even a freshener for the pet bed, pet throws, pet blanket, even inside of his crate, right? So the key features of this that I love is it's powered by enzymes. Enzymes are found in nature. It also has probiotics for a really thorough clean. It's ultra concentrated. What I love is this is cost effective. One of these concentrate bottles makes 6 ready to use forever bottles, which makes it a really good value. I also love that it's scented with natural citrus essential oils. It's USDA certified, 38% bio-based. How awesome is that? So let's talk about smelly dogs. Like, we all love them, right? But boy, oh boy, can they get a little stinky. And who has time to bathe them daily, which probably wouldn't be good for them either. Now, I sometimes take my sweet husky to doggy daycare when I have a busy day and I want him to have some fun. He comes home smelling like he's been on the streets his entire life, right? So this product that I'm going to tell you about has been a game changer for us. I take it in the car with me when I go get him from doggy daycare. It is the dog Deodorizer in a fresh fur scent. This is so good. It's so perfect for in between washes. This deodorizer freshens up your dog without any synthetic fragrances. Now, what I love about this, there's some great features, is that it's enhanced with probiotics to control odors. It's pH formulated for a dog's skin and no rinsing required. You literally just spray it on and go, and it's been dermatology tested. And let's talk about how cute that label is. So on the days when maybe my sweet buddy, that's his name, needs an actual bath, we have another great option, which is the 2-in-1 dog shampoo in a royal berry scent. So this pH balance formula is very gentle and super efficient for cleaning, moisturizing, and conditioning my dog's coat. My dog is mostly white, so trust me, when he's dirty, you see it. This works so good for him. Plus, it's pH formulated specifically for a dog's skin, leaving the skin and fur feeling soft and conditioned. And of course, this has also been dermatology tested. Now, after the puppy bath, right, I love using the Norwex pet towel. This is a must-have. This is a microfiber. It's really big. I'll insert a picture. Designed to dry your pet quickly and provide a secure hold, which I love. This works great for my really fluffy husky, but my mom has a tiny chihuahua and he loves it too. So these slots are for your hands. They give you full control when you're drying your pet. And honestly, my dog does not like the scary dryers, and he just thinks that I'm gently patting him down, right? It's ultra absorbent microfiber. It soaks up the moisture well, a lot of moisture too. It also has our backlock technology, which is our silver, so it keeps it fresher longer. I literally just hang it up to dry. It dries fast, and then it's ready to be reused. Now, I also use this when my husky won't come in from the rain, or maybe he's spending quality time rolling around in the snow. Huskies love that. So I'll keep this on days like that. I'll keep this by my back door. Now, when it's not raining or snowing, I keep this by my back door, which is the Pet Mitt. It's great for everyday grooming. It can be used wet or dry to gently bathe off your pet and even removes loose hair and dirt. I like keeping this right by my back door. If he picks up little things outside, he's actually very sensitive. So sometimes in the past, he would come in, he would be licking his paws excessively, chewing on them, and that was because he picked up something in the lawn, something environmental or whatever that gave him an allergic reaction. This Pet Mitt has really been a game changer with that because it's thick, it's ultra plush microfiber, it's very absorbent, and it will remove the excess pet hair, dirt, and any allergens that he picked up outside. It also has our backlock in it, so that's our silver, so it will self-cleanse. I really don't even need to wash it that often. We also have a couple of great solutions to keep our floors clean. So of course the Pet Mitt is going to help with that as we're removing things as they come in, but we also have a pet door mat that is gorgeous. Look at that. This is so good. I love this graphite color. This mat traps dirt, traps mud and debris from not only the paws, but people's shoes, stopping all of that extra stuff before it's tracked in. It has a really nice slip resistant backing that keeps dirt, chemicals, allergens, and even water on like the rainy or snowy days from entering the home and dirtying up the floor. This also has backlock in it for self-cleansing. Now, of course, I've been a fan of the Norwex mop system forever, and the Norwex mop system comes with a dry mop pad for sweeping and a wet mop pad for wet mopping without any chemicals. You just use it with water alone. And if you already have the Norwex mop, or maybe you plan to put it on your wish list, you're going to want to add this duster mop pad if you have a pet, because these are phenomenal for removing dander, and which it can cause allergies and all sorts of things, right? And it will keep your floor so clean. I've actually had this duster mop pad for over a year. I use it every day. It has a dedicated mop handle, and the struggle can be real with pet dander and excess shedding with a husky. My floors look so good. The duster mop pad is ultra fine, statically charged microfiber that holds on to the pet dander, the fine particles, the fine dust. It's quick and efficient. You can use this to sweep your hardwood floors, laminate tile, whatever you need, whatever type of floors you have, this will work well. It's also made from recycled microfiber. It is certified standard 100 by Okotex, so it's a great quality. You will have it forever. And let's not forget, the Enviral Cloth is another must-have if you have pets. I literally have one dedicated just for the pets in my house. I wrote the word pet on here so that my family and I know which one to grab quickly when there's been a mess, right? Could be anything. I had to potty train that puppy, okay? And I had this Enviral Cloth. I hope you found these products as amazing and exciting as I do. They are all designed to keep our pets happy and healthy and our home clean and fresh without the use of any harmful chemicals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now.